Hello guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to my playlist of HTML5 for the beginner. So in this video we will discuss about what is a head tag in HTML5. HTML head tag is used in very much in this HTML code. Before the body element, you will often see a head elements. These contain information about the page rather than information that is shown the main part of the browser. Head tag is you will usually find a title element inside the head elements. Head is opening head tag and head is closing tag. In the last video, I will tell about every tag is heading starting tag and must closing tag. Guys, this is the syntax of head tag. First we start a head tag and first we write a HTML tag and then we write a head tag. In head tag we will write title tag and uh, in the last we close our head tag and we close our HTML tag. So this is the basic introduction of this is the very basic and simple introduction of head tag in HTML5, and thanks for watching.